Welcome to this explainer. Okay, let's dive right in. The era of the free digital lunch is officially over.
For 2 decades, your personal data was the silent currency paying for your everyday social media.
But now, Mark Zuckerberg is totally flipping that script with these new Meta One and Plus subscription tiers. This divides Wall Street, who loves the recurring revenue, and users who feel squeezed for basic, everyday features. Optimists highlight a huge vulnerability. Historically, 98% of Meta's revenue was tied to super volatile ad markets. With tightening privacy laws, Meta basically had to follow Snapchat's blueprint to build a predictable, recurring revenue hedge. On the flip side, critics argue Meta's leveraging its near monopoly to charge for basic, virtually zero-cost tools. Now, what's really interesting here, that famous 2014 promise to keep WhatsApp free forever, it's completely shattered. Cue the jarring introduction of WhatsApp Plus, hitting you for exactly $2.99 a month.
Sure, basic messaging is free, but the standard experience is intentionally diminished by paywalling things like custom themes.
So the crucial point is, why now? Well, the massive cost driving this is actually AI infrastructure.
Pivoting from standard social networks to generative AI requires a truly staggering amount of capital investment. Meta One is basically a direct, crowdsourced subsidy to fund their massive next-generation AI basement.
As Meta turns into a corporate utility, exhausted users are realizing they aren't stuck on Zuckerberg's land.
Enter Web4.community, a growing counter-movement for everyone who feels the open web was totally betrayed.
This platform provides incredibly accessible tools for anyone to easily build their own independent social spaces.
Let's move to the 3 biggest reasons why you'd want to build your own platform.
Number 1, ownership. You keep total control over your data and that direct relationship with your audience.
Number 2, niche focus. You can create a perfectly tailored space for your community, entirely free of paywalls.
Finally, sovereignty. That means never ever worrying about broken corporate promises or changing algorithms again. Ultimately, moving to platforms like Web4.community returns us to spaces built purely by the people, for the people. Do you think the convenience of staying on Meta's apps outweighs the cost of these new subscriptions? Or is it time for communities to start migrating to independent platforms?